Welcome to another Forex forecast with GbpNzd Forex. In this video, I'm going to be talking about pound NZD. So before we start, if you are not subscribed to this channel, please do so right now to enable you get our notifications the moment we post a new video. Okay, so this is the monthly time frame on pound NZD, and what we can see is that we have this ascending channel right here, and we can see that we had support down here, we had support at this point, we had resistance, we had resistance, we had support, we had support, then we had resistance, we had support at this point. You can see that we still have support right here before we had the break of this ascending channel right here. So now that we have the break of this ascending channel, we expected the price to retest this horizontal level of support right here as resistance before continuation lower, and we can see that we already have that retest at this point. So with this retest at this point, now we can expect the next maybe 1 or 2 months to complete the move to the next level of support at this level right here. So let's see what we have from the weekly time frame. Okay, so from the weekly time frame, we have a market that made this first push lower here, went back to retest this support as resistance, made the next push lower, and now with this close below this area, we can expect the next 1 or 2 weeks to continue this move to our overall target at this low. So from the weekly time frame, we expect to see continuation lower just like we already have from the monthly time frame. So let's see what we have from the daily time frame. Okay, so from the daily time frame, okay, the last time I talked about this pair, the price are just giving us this close below the horizontal level of structure I just showed you on the weekly time frame, and we wanted to see the price retest this area of support as resistance, and we can see that that's exactly what has happened. We wanted to see that retest before the next move lower, and we can see that that's exactly what happened. We had the retest and the next move lower. Okay, and I'm going to put a link to this video in the description. I'll also leave it in the top right corner so you can check it for further reference and more free education. So now we have support at this point right here. This is the next daily level of support we have right here. So what we expect is for the price to retest this level, and now we can see that the price is already at that level, but we don't have a rejection, we don't have a confirmation that this area is holding as resistance, so we cannot take any trade yet. So what we want to do now is to watch for maybe the next 1 or 2 days to see how the price will react to this area. And if we are going to get a rejection, a valid rejection of this area, then start changing from a bullish market to a bearish market, then we are going to be positioning ourselves for a short trade to our next objective at this low right here. So that's what I expect from pound NZD, a rejection of this area for the continuation lower. But if we are just going to have a break above, say a daily close above this area, then obviously we are not interested in taking this trade anymore. We are not interested in any buy trade. What we want to see is a sell trade and a rejection of this area for the next move lower. So if we are going to see a close above this, then we are not interested in this trade anymore. So that's going to be all on this analysis with pound NZD. If you enjoyed it, do smash the like button, click on the subscribe button, so click on the bell notification to enable you get our content whenever we upload a new video. Until we meet in the next video, have a wonderful day.